Ever feel like you're wrestling with your PTZ cameras instead of commanding them? Well, this little SPT 3-axis PTZ joystick keyboard controller, the 15AU50HAC, might just be the solution you've been searching for. It's not just a joystick, it's a full-blown command center packed into a surprisingly compact unit. Right out of the box, you notice the solid build quality. It's got this satisfying heft, and the 3-stage joystick feels incredibly precise. You can really dial in those smooth camera movements, which is crucial for getting those perfect shots without jerky transitions. What really impressed me is how it integrates so seamlessly. It supports both RS-485 and RS-232 communication, giving you flexibility in how you connect it. For RS-485, you have both an RJ45 connector and a terminal block, which is a thoughtful touch for different installation scenarios. Setting up the address range for your dome cameras and decoders is straightforward, going from 0 all the way up to 255, so you can manage a pretty extensive system. The multifunctionality is where this controller truly shines. It's not just about pan, tilt, and zoom. You can designate parts of the image for swapping functions, which is a neat trick for quickly switching between different views or presets. And the speed level is adjustable, meaning you can fine-tune how responsive the camera is to your joystick movements, from slow and deliberate to rapid and dynamic. It directly controls the full functions of speed dome cameras, so you're not missing out on any capabilities. The LCD display is clear and provides essential information at a glance, which is super helpful when you're managing multiple cameras or complex settings. It's powered by a simple 12-volt DC input and consumes a mere 3 watts, making it very energy efficient. Plus, it's CE and FCC approved, so you know it meets industry standards. For anyone looking to upgrade their PTZ camera control and gain more precise, intuitive command over their surveillance or broadcast setup, this SPT controller is a seriously compelling option. It's a well-designed piece of kit that makes a real difference in day-to-day operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.